Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the railway and welcome back to hopefully another exciting video. So a little while ago I made that video showing you all of the locomotives in my collection, and I promised during that video that I would do another similar video for the rolling stock. So that's what I'm going to do today. I also promised that it would be something special, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it is going to be special. I'm not going to tell you what that is, I'm going to show you instead. I can feel a bit of a time lapse coming on. Not looking forward to it too much because it's a very hot day today, but I'm going to do my best. So here we go, little time lapse. Hopefully you'll get the idea quite quickly as to what I'm going to attempt. So let's get to this. Wish me luck. Here we go. Wow, so there you have it. It's taken about an hour actually to get all this stuff out, and I have to admit I have a lot more than I expected. Yeah, I've never had it all out on the ground like this, and as you can see it really has filled the floor. What do you reckon? I think I've probably got a problem, don't you? Anyway, this is the bulk of it. I would say this is probably 90-95% of my rolling stock. There is a whole collection of Triang stuff which I haven't got out. A, because there's just no more space on the ground, and B, because it's all packed away in boxes and it would be quite hard to get hold of. But otherwise, yes, this is the lot, and I thought I'd just do a whistle stop tour. As you can see, I've got an aisle going up the middle, so I can at least walk up there and take some close-ups of the various stuff. So quite quickly then, I'm not going to be lingering on any of this stuff, but here we go at the top left corner. We've got those light sort of olive green Southern coaches, the blue Pullman coaches, then quite a lot of the L&E Artiques, very nice those. A couple of the Virgin, are they Mark IIs? I think they're Mark IIs, not absolutely sure. Then those short Lima, Lima coaches, a couple of LMS coaches, that's a Wren Pullman coach. The ambulance train coaches, some of the older style Hornby Blood and Custards. Then we've got the ex-L&E Artiques in the Blood and Custard livery there. Some mega boxes, of course, most of those are Bachmann, but a couple of them are Dapol. Great Western coaches, LMS coaches just there, quite a lot of those, including the Night Mail coach. A few more ex-Southern coaches just there, and some of the old Triang Flying Scotsman coaches. They look quite a bit like Thompson coaches, I'd say. Then we've got the My Model Railway Village coaches, which are very nice. Yet more ex-L&E Artiques in the maroon this time. A couple of auto coaches. Then we have Percy's Mail coach, the Coronation Scott coaches, more of the Monsell coaches in the sort of darker green, same as the first ones I showed you. Then we've got all sorts. We've got the Excalibur Express coaches just there. I think most of those are the Lima chocolate and cream coaches, I think, although yes, that's the ones. Then we've got Caledonian coaches at the top. We've got ex-Caledonian. Then underneath there we have actual Caledonian coaches. Then the first lot of Pullmans, as you can see, yes, a variety of different names there. Then we've got the Lima Blood and Custard coaches, some of the Hornby, which one of those? The Tyseley Connection train pack coaches, there you go. Some of the Triang Great Western coaches. Then you've got the Queen of Scots Pullman coaches just there. And then back at the top, some of the seldom seen Hornby Dublo tin coaches. Some of the Triang Pullman coaches, and if we start now on the sort of non-British stuff, I don't have an awful lot of it, but there's some boxcars there, some old-timey coaches with a combine on there as well. You've got some Bachmann hoppers. Some of this stuff's a little bit crusty looking, but I thought I'd put it in there anyway. Then we've got the Hornby boxcars, as you can see, or box vans now, because we're back in the UK again with this stuff. All sorts, McVitie's, lots of different brands. In fact, I might as well just show you all this. We've got tankers, insulated milk vans, we've got those four-wheeled coaches, all sorts of the larger stone wagons. Some of those have got stones in, so I've had to leave those upturned the right way. A whole load of different brake vans. We've got cranes going on there, more box vans. You've got the Prime Porks there, Crisp Snacks and Nuts Smiths, Poundsbury wagons, some of the larger open wagons there. Loads more open wagons, you can see them there, and including my ocean of ocean wagons back there. We've got some of the Great Western Cipher wagons, some of the cloistery coaches there from the LNER. I've got the lovely Beale Hacks, of course, or Bile Hacks as it's sometimes called. Some of the intercity coaches. Yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff to show there. Like I say, I really had no idea I'd collected so much. But yeah, I mean, it makes all the videos fun, I suppose, to see so much different rolling stock. And now I have the almighty fun of putting this all away. So anyway, hope you enjoyed seeing this. I think this has been the most interesting way of doing it. So thank you all for watching. Wish me luck packing all this lot back away, and I will see you very, very soon. Alright, cheers everybody.